Hello, everyone. Today we'll look at how to use the Data Importation Wizard in OMC. Now, the first step before using a CMMS is to transfer your equipment data such as equipment name, number, location, maintenance frequency, and other data into the CMMS. There are 4 ways to transfer the data. The first method is to manually enter the data by typing, but this is very slow if you have a large number of equipment. A faster method is to copy and paste equipment data into each file. The third and most efficient method is to use the Data Entry Wizard. The last method is to send your data to Omega Technology, and we will load the data for you. In this video, we will discuss the Data Entry Wizard. OMC has a data file folder that contains several files that store information for the assets in your maintenance program. Examples are main equipment file, asset location file, maintenance employee file, PM checklist file, along with several other files that store maintenance-related data. The Data Entry Wizard is designed to load all your data into the files using a 2-step process. Step 1 is where you add the data for each file into a separate Excel worksheet. And Step 2 is where you activate the Data Importation Wizard to transfer the data from the Excel worksheets into the CMMS. Now, OMC stores your equipment-related data into 15 different files, and although most of these files are optional, we recommend that you use as many of the files as possible to maximize the benefits of your maintenance software. Also note that an Excel workbook with all 15 worksheets and sample data are included in your CMMS package. Now, after you have entered the equipment-related data into the Excel worksheets, it's time to start the wizard. So, from the main control panel, select Admin Settings, and then select Data Entry Wizard to open the form. The left side of the form provides direct access to the 15 files that will receive data from the Excel worksheets. Click on any file to open for viewing or editing. On the right section of the form is where you activate the wizard to import data from any of the 15 available worksheets. Each worksheet is given a number which indicates the order in which it should be imported. To import a specific worksheet, double-click the worksheet name to start the wizard. First, you will be prompted to browse and select the Excel workbook that contains the worksheets. Select the workbook and press OK, and the wizard will transfer the data from the worksheet into the data file. After the data is transferred, the wizard will open the file to display the data. Now at the top of the form are 3 command buttons. The first command is used to delete all the data imported into the CMMS. This is useful if you want to remove all your data and start over. The second command allows you to import all 15 worksheets in a single step. The third command is a report that displays any errors encountered during the importation process. Please note the following when using the wizard. All 15 Excel worksheets are pre-formatted and stored in a single Excel workbook. This workbook is available in your downloaded CMMS files. If you need to make changes to the data after it is imported, edit the files directly or delete the data in the file and restart the wizard. This completes our discussion on the Data Entry Wizard. Thanks for watching.